Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to change the default search engine in Safari and Google Chrome. Okay, we'll start with Safari and let's start by just opening it. And here what you want to do, if you opened it, just hit on your MacBook Command and the comma key, Command plus comma, until this pops up. What you want to do here is, as you can see, search engine, and then you just choose whatever search engine you want to use. For example, I have Google, but if you go to Yahoo, then just close it and then just type in whatever you want, window. Then you can see Yahoo is used. Of course, you can change it back by just Command comma and then go back to Google because I like it better. Okay, then let's go to Google Chrome. If you're here, just on the upper right corner, here you can see the three dots. Just click them, then go to Settings. And under Settings, you want to go to Search Engine. And here you can see search engine used in the address bar. I have Google. Of course, if you, for example, go to Ecosia, and then you open a new tab, then you can see Ecosia is used. Or if you go back and let's say we want to change it to Google, here Google is used. Okay, that was a little hack on how to change the default search engine in Safari and Google Chrome. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.